hand
Sun.
sun good bear duck
Duck.
oh this one
Dog.
frog
Dog. Frog.
what is this oi what is this
Book.
okay can you sign book oh okay how about this one
Frog.
good girl
Mommy.
okay
Frog.
thank you how about this one
Mouse.
mouse good girl
Duck.
oh what sound that the duck make
Bunny.
sound like that okay what is
Bear.
bear good job next one
Sun.
sun okay what color is the sun
Here. The sun.
yellow sun okay this one
And.
good job clap hand to yourself yay who is good girl raise your hand and who is good girl raise your hand well done good raise your hand honey you lovely smile good nice next one next card how about this one
Frog.
frog green frog what this one
Bird.
bird what sound that the bird make
Bunny.
chip
Bear.
okay listen which one can you oh blue flag okay can you pick me a red book card red book which one is a book only one book only one book here honey book card pick me thank you how about green frog look nicely thank you wow clap hand to yourself give me 5 yay okay the next one brown bear can you pick me brown bear card only one card no that's a lot brown bear here take it to me thank you okay the next one gray ant which one gray ant look carefully pick me the gray ant okay take it to me thank you okay oh no I want a yellow duck wow quack thank you do you like duck yes or no clap hand to yourself give him a kiss if you like it wow hooray okay how about this one what is this what it is kiss again what is it
Dog.
dog look carefully look again
Cat.
yes cat how about this one
Fish.
here this one